Hi, I'm Sam Pilley with Coldwell Banker. Welcome to a wonderful listing at 1943 Parrot Drive in beautiful Baywood Park in San Mateo on a wonderful Friday afternoon.
Hello, I'm Fadi Suda, and welcome to our gorgeous listing at 1943 Parrot Drive here in Baywood Park, San Mateo. Welcome to 1943 Parrot Drive. Come on in, let's check it out. This is our beautiful living room. It is very large in size, and the windows here, dual pane windows, and they bring in lots of light. We have new refinished hardwood floors, a wood burning fireplace, beautiful shelving for those family portraits, and a nice patio door leading out into the yard. Here we have our cozy dining room that also has a nice big window and bringing in lots of light. And that leads us into our beautiful kitchen that also has newly updated ceramic tile and just some wonderful white cabinets. This home is 1,480 square feet, has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's go on in and see them. From our kitchen, we go straight into our nice laundry room, and we'll take a nice shot in here for you. And that is the washer and dryer area, and a nice window that actually brings in light here as well. And the flow in this house is really nice and easy, ranch style home. From the laundry room leads us straight into the 2-car garage. And from our living room, we exit onto the beautiful patio area. Let's go ahead and go out there and take a look. And this is a nice little area to have our family barbecue time and just enjoy the outdoors. This beautiful cover here, patio cover, protects us from the sun, and that would lead us out into this gorgeous, huge backyard. Now this home sits on a lot size of 10,100 square feet.